Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. My today's video is very creative and it is in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing a wide variety of creative, stylish, unique and easy to make DIY ideas for face masks. But friends, my today's video is about hand painted, hand work, handmade, hand sewn, hand painted fabric painting mask designs. Yes friends, fabric painting is an art that is used by artists from many years for dress designing and different types of accessory designing with the help of their hand art of fabric paint onto different types of fabrics. So as you know that COVID is in its full wave and it's a very dangerous and pandemic situation, and it is badly and massively affecting large number of human community. So it is very important for us to take care of ourselves, and wearing face mask is the only way to keep ourselves safe and at the same time the loved ones and the human beings around us. So the ones who love the art of fabric painting and they know the art of fabric painting and they are in search of very beautiful, creative and stylish design ideas of fabric painting, then friends, this video is absolutely for you. The advantage of fabric painting is that it is very soft, lightweight, and at the same time it gives a very decent and delicate look to the wearer. All of these mask patterns are highly designer style, and you can not only use these fabric painting patterns onto the designing of your face mask, but for designing a wide variety of stuff. Like you can make this onto your dresses, onto your baby girl frocks, shirts, like bee embroidery, some creative and funky real life nature inspired floral embroidery, some sort of very unique and eye-catchy 3D views of some real-life flowers, plants, garden, nature-inspired, and much more very beautiful floral embroidery patterns. You can use different type of fabric paints for making these acrylic paints, embossed paints, pigma pearl paints, or some sort of other shiny silky paints as well. And the fabric you can use for acrylic paints, you can use denim, soft cotton, organic linen, and any type of cottonish material. And for sort of shiny, you can use silk fabric for making some sort of fancy like wedding mask. So thank you so much for watching. This was all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos. Up till then, take care.